Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you which 128GB micro SD cards GoPro recommends for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. They've got a whole list of them over on their GoPro website. We'll go through them today so you can make a decision on which one is right for you. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. If you're new here, we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we're going to be showing you which 128GB micro SD cards GoPro recommends for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. They've got a whole list of them over on their website. We're going to go through them and then we're going to go over to Amazon and go from highest to lowest price so you can make an informed decision and pick a card that'll work with your camera. It's important to pick a card that'll work properly so your camera functions as it should, as well as it can record in high enough speed, because this camera can do 5K and 4K video and you want it to work properly. So let's jump on over to my computer, get right into it, and show you which cards GoPro recommends. Over here on GoPro's website, this is the chart that they've put together of cards that they say will work with your GoPro Hero 9 Black. And I've gone ahead and pulled out the 128GB cards. We're going to go through those today one by one so you can see what they are. And I've got this chart as well as all the memory cards linked below in the description if you want to check them out for yourself or purchase one. Now, if you have an older GoPro, if you keep scrolling down here, you will find charts for the 8, the Max, 7, etc. if you do need a card for an older camera. But let's jump on over to Amazon and start going through the different pricing on all these cards. So first off, I want to say is that these card prices can change all the time. The prices you see today when I'm filming this are likely not going to be the same as when you're watching it down the road, but it's just to give you a good idea of the pricing on the different cards. Now there's two cards that were unavailable at the time of filming this, but I'll go through them quickly and then we'll start through the ones that are available. The first one is this Sony high-speed memory card, 128. The 64GB card is $100. So if they had the 128GB card in stock, it's probably on the higher end of pricing. The second one that was not available at all on Amazon that I couldn't find is the ADATA High Endurance 128 card. And this one I did find a link over on Walmart, but it was out of stock there as well. It looks like it runs for about $25 if they do have it available. Now jumping back over to Amazon, starting at the highest priced 128GB cards, you've got the Lexar 1800X Professional card, very fast card. And these ones start out at $69.85 for this card. So that's definitely on the higher end of pricing for the 128GB cards. But if you're looking for a high-end professional card, this is probably the one you're going to want to go for. From there, jumping down, you are going to go to the Lexar 1000 Professional. So one step down from that one. And this one runs at $59.39. So this is the 1000X 128. From there, jumping down, you are going to go into the Lexar 667 video card. This one runs at $42.79 currently here on Amazon. And this one actually looks like it's designed for video, whereas other ones don't say video on them. They're just more of a general card. This one actually says video on it. Now the next one I couldn't find on Amazon, but I was able to find it over on Best Buy here. It is the Sandisk Extreme Plus 128GB card. Now this one is currently running at $38.99 over on Best Buy. So if this is the card you're after, you might have to hunt around for it, but I did find it over on Best Buy. And again, all of these cards are cards that are recommended on that GoPro list at the very beginning that I showed you. All right, next down in price is the Samsung 128 EVO Select, and this one is $33.99, and it looks like, let's see, it says it comes with a full-size adapter as well right there on the screen. So that one is $33.99. From there, we're going to jump down to the Sandisk Extreme Pro, $32.79 for this card. Good value on that card. Jumping down again in price, this one goes all the way down to $27.99, list price $39.99. The Samsung Pro Endurance 128GB card, good value on that card right now. The PNY Elite X 128GB card, this one's a great price, $24.99 on that card, and we've got 4 more to go through, so stick with me here, we're almost done. We've got the Sandisk Extreme $24.49. This is the Extreme Micro SDXC card and a good value on that one as well. So $24.49. From there, we've got the Lexar 667X 128GB card. This one's a great value at $21.99 on there. The PNY 128 Pro Elite, this one is coming at $21.99. And the last card here is the Samsung EVO Plus 128GB card. And actually, I already had this card kicking around at home when I bought my GoPro Hero 9 Black, and I actually have it in there right now, and I've been using it for about a week now, and I've had zero problems with this card so far. So I think there's really good value in that card. If you're just looking for an inexpensive option, maybe check that one out. Now, all of these cards that I've just shown you are on the list over here on GoPro's website. So these are the ones that they say will work great with your GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I hope this video was able to help you out in picking out a micro SD card for your GoPro Hero 9 Black. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in learning about the 256GB cards, I've got that video linked below in the description. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You'll find all those links down there as well. Thanks so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.